Factors of a given whole number. If you're asked to find the factor of a whole number, this is how you can obtain all the factors of that number. Let's take an example. Find the possible factors of 30. We're going to learn how to find the factor of this whole number 30. To get the factors of 30, one simple exercise you can do is to find two numbers that when you multiply them together, the result is going to be 30. Now, there are several of these multiples that will always give you 30. When you get all these multiples, you can then, from those multiples you have gotten, get all the individual possible factors of the number 30. One of these multiples, of course, is the numbers 1 multiplied by 30. We agree that 1 multiplied by 30 is 30. Now, let's continue to look for two numbers that will multiply to give 30 aside 1 and 30. Another one would be 2 multiplied by 15. The product of these two numbers will give you what? 30. Good. Thinking of another one, we have what? 3 multiplied by 10. 3 multiplied by 10 gives us 30. Let's get more numbers that multiply into each other to give us 30. We have 5 multiplied by 6. This would also give us 30. Now, when we think further to see numbers that multiply into each other to give us 30, we'll begin to see that most of the other ones we will get are already on the board. Like, for example, another number that gives us 30 is 6 multiplied by 5. But we already have 5 multiplied by 6, which is the same thing as 6 multiplied by 5. So, by this, we know that we have come to the end of numbers that multiply each other to give us 30. So, from this now, let us get the factors of 30. Factors of 30. When you have your multiples written like this, each of these numbers here give us factors of 30. And a good way to write them is to start from the left down and then to the right up. So let's write them out. We have the number 1, then 2, and then 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. That is, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. This is because these are the possible whole numbers that can divide 30 without leaving a remainder. Thank you.